your picture.
Yes.
Just a quick one.
She's very cute. Mr. Jude. Mr. Jude. Jude, honey. Jude. 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 Hi, honey. Over here. Look at Nana. Nana. Jude. Look at Nana. Jude. I can see it. Hey, Jude. I can see it. Let's get a look at that hair, buddy. Here. Oh, check it out. Oh, we be styling. Yeah. Oh, so good. Oh, my God. Look at you. Yeah.
Look at all that.
Here, let's have you stay right here real quick to make sure we don't have any hair on you. Thank you. I love the little ones. The youngest I've done is like 4 months old. So cute and tiny. All right. Hey, Jude. Look at you, Grandma. Jude, look at Nana's. Hi. Yeah, hi, baby. Very cute. You're so handsome. You're so yes, you are. You want to get a picture with your mama? Huh? With your new haircut? Yeah. Let's. Oh. Oh, he's so happy. You guys have a happy boy. Oh, happy boy. Okay. Hi. Very cute. Here. Oh, Mommy wants me to take a still photo.
You gotta look over here, though. Oh, we're tired.
Jude. Oh, no, come on. We can do better than that. Boogie, boogie. Styling, baby. Styling, baby. Yeah. How are you? We're not getting the famous smile. Oh, there we go.